This is the talking PIR sensor. This compact and versatile PIR unit can be used for an audible entrance greeting and is perfect to raise attention for a point-of-sale display.
Welcome to Talking Products. Please ring the bell and someone will be with you shortly.
It can also be used as an audible security alarm or audible safety warning in a restricted area.
Attention! Please be aware of forklifts operating in this area.
Personalise the talking sensor by recording your own custom voice message. You can also download an MP3 file, including music or sound effects. Follow the simple instructions to record your voice into the built-in microphone. If you make a mistake, you can re-record as many times as you wish. It's also easy to transfer up to 8 minutes of high-quality MP3 sound files. Use the cable provided to connect the sensor to your computer via the USB socket. Simply drag and drop your MP3 sound files onto the internal memory. Your sound file will play back automatically after the talking sensor has been activated, and it has 3 volume levels. You can choose to play the same sound after each activation or a loop repeat of multiple sounds. On the front of the talking sensor is a recessed area for a custom label or sticker. On the back are wall mounting holes, and there is an optional wall mounting bracket supplied. It can be powered using a mains adapter or by 3 AAA batteries. The talking PIR motion sensor. Deliver your message with the power of sound.